Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a common issue that many iOS 17 users might be facing: Bluetooth connectivity problems. If you're struggling with Bluetooth not working on your iOS 17 device, don't worry, we've got you covered. Stick around as we walk you through a step-by-step troubleshooting guide to get your Bluetooth back up and running. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of our helpful tech guides. The first thing you'll want to do is check your Bluetooth settings. Head over to your device's settings, then navigate to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And also tap on Allow New Connections. Doing this will make your device visible to other devices. If this step doesn't seem to work out, let's move to the next one. To do so, open Settings. Navigate to General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset. Then reset network settings. Resetting network settings can often resolve Bluetooth problems. Keep in mind that this will also reset Wi-Fi, cellular, and VPN settings. If none of the previous steps have worked, you might consider resetting all settings. Don't worry, this won't erase your data, but it will reset all your personalized settings to default. To do so, open Settings. Navigate to General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset. Then reset all settings. If you've tried all the steps and Bluetooth is still not working on your iOS 17 device, it might be time to reach out to Apple support. They can provide further assistance and guide you through more advanced troubleshooting options. And that's all about it. Remember, technology hiccups are common, but with a bit of patience and the right steps, you can often get things back on track. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might be facing similar issues. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.